Okay, I have a project here where I initialized NPM. So I'm going to need, in this case, let's say gulp, and I have these few dependencies. So what I would do to install all of them would be npm install gulp CLI, then wait for it to install, and run the next one, npm install gulp pug. So I wait until it installs, and finally I go to the third one and say, okay, install npm gulp sas. So you can see here npm install gulp sas, and in the dependencies I see that the three of them have been installed now. So a different one faster way of doing this would be typing npm install, and by the way, I can say only npm I, which stands for install. So npm I gulp, let me see what my dependencies are, CLI space gulp pug space gulp sas. So that's the same as writing them separately as I did before. And if I go back here, you see that I see these dependencies again. So if I remove them, another even nicer way of doing this, and especially when the names are very long at the beginning, like storybook or webpack, I don't like typing that much. So you see here I can type npm I again, but if you notice, all of this start with the same string of characters, which is gulp dash. So I can type gulp dash for all of them, and then in curly brackets I put CLI pug and sas separated by commas, and this is the same as I did before. And you see, I go to package.json, I now have the three of them installed.